Hello, in front of me I've got BOSE QuietComfort SE. In this video I'll show you how to manage controls. In the beginning, we can use this button to turn headphones on and off and to enable Bluetooth pairing mode. Next we've got plus button and minus button, thanks to which we can change volume. Next we've got this multifunctional button in the middle. Press it once to play pause, double press to skip forward and triple press to skip backwards. Next, we've got the action button right here. Press the action button to switch between quiet mode and aware mode. Let's go back to multifunctional button. Press it once to answer and end the calls. Press and hold for 1 second to decline a call. To answer a second incoming call, while on a call and a second incoming call is ringing, press the multifunctional button once. To decline, press and hold it for 1 second. To switch between calls, double press. To create a conference call, press and hold 3 seconds. To mute or unmute a call, press twice double multifunctional button. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.